JedaAI lesson series part 6, how you can use the workspace in an effective way. Here you can see the previously generated output. Now just think you need to zoom in or zoom out. Just press the control, then you will be able to see zoom in and zoom out works. Here also you can see the zoom level. You can click on this and then you can go to 300%, maybe 50%, like that. If you need to move the workspace, then click on this pan icon and then you can move as needed. Just think you need to download this output here. First you have to zoom it. Make sure this area is only visible, and you can do this by click on this select option and then select everything here, and you can move this here. Now you have to click on this pan icon and then you have to move the workspace like this. Actually you can see the workspace is limitless, right? Now here's your output, and then click on this download button and you can download this as an image with white background. Just click on this. Here you can see the output. Great, right? And also now click on this icon again, and then you can download this workspace as a transparent background and click on this. Now you'll be able to see the transparent background here. Okay, cool. Also you can download the whole workspace as text. Now you can see workspace will be like a text here. Okay guys, just remember, if you download this as a text, it means you will download the entire workspace. Entire workspace means this one. Okay, you can zoom out, then you can see the entire workspace. By the way, now click on this select button and then select this. Here you can see another download button here. You will be able to click on this white background and download this component only. So that's the best option. Why I was so late? Guys, it's on you to decide what to do. You have more freedom to download as needed. If you need only these components only, then you have to select those, and then you can click on this download button here and then click on this white background or transparent background. Then the component will be downloaded as needed. So if you're doing a PowerPoint presentation or something, so this option will make you better. Okay, I hope this tutorial was so helpful for you to work with JedaAI. Now I'm going to leave this and just wait for the part